Genie. Mosa Genie. Yee. Yeah. Yeah man, so we verse this little from now. I want 10. I played them I know my peeps. Peeps, you know. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 Jesus Christ. And 2 pieces of yam, 11 that you know. You know man, and 9 dumpling get you know, look what left. Oh, so I go on. You see? Yeah man, quick and fast. That left out of what? 6?
Out of 6. The last one I know.
Yeah man, Captain Spear. Come forward to do some work on it to them peeps, you know? Yeah man, we come forward to do some work on the Captain Spear boat to them peeps. Yeah man, get it finished, paint up and thing, but rain, you know, that's something they go with the paint. Yeah man, you have a painting at the hot time guys, but they are going to run off a pot. Down from Captain Ends my peeps. Set up a table, as I see. Who's careful and make up a table. You know, some sea catches and now conch and squid. Man, some vinegar water washer.
Outside, yeah?
There's a big pot of cornmeal dumpling idea, yeah.
Some CD size.
Yeah, man. Fire there. Pat them up there, so. Same way.
I want that over here. I can't get a trip off. What on, man? When I came on the barcode, now come we cook. When we cook, now we broke on me do. I want the money to do what I have to do.
Artist for sure.
So you can't throw man, I think you tap. I think you can't too much help. You can count again. Yeah man. Scan out again. Then I ignite and I can't catch so but you put it on sitting.
Going back, we're going back. Afraid you afraid that? No, I don't want back to this one like this. I ain't nothing inside this straight yet. Straight on.
Man, so we got some conch, sea cat, squid.
Oh man.
Believe man. I get down to business and now my peeps. Yeah man, whole flour. Yeah man, loan cornmeal flour and my peeps. See it?
Same one we can't tap in.
Yeah man. How much? 5 pounds of flour against first 4 man.
Yeah. I'm going to call the brethren and then I say I'll call you down. Right, water going out now.
Big pot of dumpling.
Flour man did that so. Yes man. Yeah. That is all your build a monster when you need in dumpling.
Yeah, my peeps, remember, you know? We come for work on the boat, but through rain and fall, so we there and just decide so we cook a pot, you know. Yeah, man, so we go sea cat, conch, squid, yeah, man, alongside the old good cornmeal dumpling, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yum. Yeah, man. See it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so we verse this little from now.
Oh, God almighty. Okay, well, I did come back and eat some of this food, man.
Yeah, man, fisherman link up, you know?
Right.
That's how we go seafood today, you know, just some seafood, we have got some conch, octopus, and squid. See it? Yeah, man, seafood style. And we have Junior here, so now I cut up the season, you know?
Man, captain, captains.
Shoot, if you go in there, for 5 o'clock.
On top of anchor. Yeah, you mean I'm plate.
And the peeps enjoy one little bigger pot, you know. One more dumpling.
More food.
Yeah, man. Instead of one day on the fire too small. All courtesy of Junior, same one, 9 dumpling.
9.
9!
We have to eat 9, man. I'm going to put on 2 oil and I yeah.
Yeah, man. Ready for your curry, you know, my peeps. See it?
The curry.
Alright, my peeps, you see it?
Like when your client.
Ready for it, you know. Yeah, man, marinate in the curry. Massage in the curry, my peeps. Oh God, man. Alright, my peeps, watch marinate in it. Massage in it.
No, all you have to do is put in a
Man, so you get some
no,
of the bad
with dirt.
cool run in here, jerk, you know?
More, some of that dirt.
That's some of this. That's some of this.
Let me take out the yellow.
Take it back.
Yeah, man. Mossagini. Mossagini. Yee. It's a little take time, you know? Alright.
Dirt, no wrong with the dirt.
Man, I burn the curry in some garlic and some scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, man. So man, so they don't like burn curry because they burn up the curry.
Yeah, no.
Alright, the peeps. See it? Yeah, man, you can go and burn.
Part 1 level, man.
See it? I'm going to see what I'm going to do hide nothing around here, you know, people. Peeps, look at that.
You can't back there.
Looks like you're ready for eat.
Johnny.
We're not going to go for the kayak.
Everything ready. Aye! Good. Perfect. Cut off, okay, now.
One more time.
Hey! Leave me peeps. Big cornmeal dumpling. Yeah man, I bought piece of meat that in my beef. Conch, you know, octopus and the squid. Yeah man, say dumpling them have me a sweat. I sweat your fret to make them. 150 dumpling we have put tonight, you know. Yeah man, we are dashing the yellow yam tonight, you know, when we beef seed. That's what I go on. So then don't need, you know. Yeah man, don't need done.
Alright.
90 dumpling iPad. And 90 dumpling.
90. I want 10. 15, me alright with 15.
Big cornmeal dumpling. Lucky back.
Yes.
Fire.
Hot.
Yeah man, chilling on the ends with Junior.
With the werewolf.
Say one 9 dumpling.
You have to advertise me. I want 12 dozen.
I go watching up peeps and see how many dumpling him can eat.
1 dozen.
Mm.
Of course, more have a
The
car.
food is still a cook, you know. Yeah man. So you out there see a way. Smoke about that, you know, but we're there man. The pan captain corner.
No tap chop them out.
Yeah man.
Cause crappy one there. And girl knife him up down a square.
And him get knife up.
If I try to tell the man says the crabs in the bite trouble because they eat hot fruit.
Get in it.
Keep the water in it.
Cook the season.
Can look like a gravy that tonight.
How much is you?
What?
Sam come here and I do. Not me do. I say, yo, tell the bed, me take them back and grow. I say, don't take them back and do. Me not my do them. I'm a rasta man. Me never spin my bread upon a bed. Head and tail. Me come out, me sleep in the back park room. Oh, you may not see. If I'm not jail off, me no man bungalow. Oh, yeah.
Your
I
thing.
had a real long time. Don't know what, no plate.
Yeah man. Flower for days. Yeah man. Believe it man. Lucky back. Hey! Look like it, me piece, watch ya. Oh God. Crappy, you use the effort there. Yeah man. Nah man, just share the food man. Go on like you don't want to share food. But Crappy saying want 9, you know.
Right, start off with the 9.
9 you start with. Give people them seat, you know. 3,
I go and get this
4,
this
5, 6, 7, 8,
9.
9.
What's your
Jesus Christ. And 2 pieces of yam, 11 that, you know.
Well, that I am thick.
Oh God. A 1 man plate that, you know. Jesus, I'll crouch you see a junior. Werewolf. Yeah man. No, no more 6 man. Mm.
16.
I say 16.
16. But the food done, man.
Because this time I'm going to That's it.
Yeah, man, look at that, my peeps. Right. 3D hard way, man. Conch, sea cat, squid, seafood. Yeah, man. Crappie say I have a new baby if you go make, you know. Yeah, man. Werewolf have a new baby to make.
A long time. You had that one day in back.
Gravy.
Gravy.
Gravy not throw no more in there.
Not throw no more gear, man.
What me?
Throw gravy game, man.
Oh God. That is good and God is great. Bless it.
Gravy.
Bless the other provider. Let's go down, man.
Yeah, Junior.
Yeah, man, the werewolf. Yes, man.
God is good.
God is good and God is great, man.
Yeah, man.
Bless him.
Four man versus a 2 big pot of food, you know.
And you can keep shutting down already.
Nice sun, you know, man.
I want to sweat out that one.
Yeah. Believe.
How cook the food?
Werewolf.
How cook the food, man?
Werewolf.
No, man, the food, my restaurant.
See it? Captain have to back off in jacket.
Yes, man, I have to back off with jacket.
Every day, I just them the crap. Breakfast now. So me a galan, me a galan. Me a tell you say boy, but me a take on it. Cause me done right now. Me a tell you say, roll around for take on the next life.
Get the meat in action, yeah. Try him up the meal.
Hey, can't talk, man. We're over here. Level 9, man. I'm good.
What you got out there 9?
2.
Yeah, move slow, man. You're slow, but you're sure.
Right, man, can. You can't talk, man. We're over here. Level 9, man. I'm good.
What you got out there 9?
2.
Yeah, move slow, man. You're slow, but you're sure.
Right, man, can.
I peeps him buck. You may say buck, man. You look for crappy for.
I tell the boy, I'm a pretty boy. Take up on me, can't manage.
Why you captain and werewolf have you lead me peeps? Captain name till all in near sweat.
Me can't go no more, so I go.
Yeah, man. Out of 4.
Out of 4, me can't go no more.
Why you thought? I try to go and be.
I don't know where we're to go.
Why werewolf gone back in it, you know, my people. When I get 6 and me buck.
I'm going to get 9 and gone back.
Me buck. Why my piece me give up, me can't manage it. Rough out here. Yeah, man. Only can't eat, me can't eat, yeah. Why my piece werewolf deal with the 9 away, you know. I'm back with you, man, at 9 dumpling getting a look what left. Yeah, man, at 9, you know.
Watch it.
Yes, me peeps.
Get a werewolf, man.
It was a good day out with the werewolf.
That was fun, man.
Call him 9 bars, you know.
Yeah.
9 bars in
Plus 2 yam.
Yeah.
12 bars.
12 bars, 11 bars. Yeah, man, we are cleaning up the utensils and back, me peeps. Yeah, it was a good outing. Yeah, man, see bees ready for touch out on the water. Same way.
I mean, what I'm telling Fritz.
Fire this ready for another almost, you know.
Container.
Yeah, guys, out here. Soon touch the beast out on the water again, you know? Yeah, man. Down in the weekend, you know? Yeah, man, everything ready up. Brand new engine, same way. So, yes, my people are good out here, you know? Nice food, you know? Yeah, man, nice seafood. Yeah, man, so. Yeah, man. We have some food that's enough to get home for the dog, them.
Can't do it like them again.
Yeah.
Me have to give up.
But I'm still on, me on.
There, still a wash up plate.
You still on, Baba?
All of food still left in a pot, yeah, my peeps. I bring back this nice community to give youths them, you know? Yeah, man. So you should have forward, but they don't get forward. You told them, so they have to run, go crush some work, you know? Yeah, man. So what we are going to do now, we are going to bring back the food. Go give them. We have some dumplings. Yeah, man. Couple of man dumpling in a pot. So like I said, we just bring it back home, go give them. That is it. One gorilla.
See, you gonna make sure it's up. Is it official?
Yeah, man, make sure. Remember, I'm telling you, so we bring some. We charge them no peeps.
So you think set, man?
Aye, man, like me telling you, say, dog, we do some work and thing, you know? Watch what go on. That is it.
That is it.
You see? Shillings, my peeps. Yeah, man, quick and fast. That left out of what? 6?
Out of 6. The last one I know.